Start.
Good morning, students. Myself, Madhvi Pardeshi. I am Assistant Professor at Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar College of Pharmacy, Goradi. Today here we are going to start our subject from diploma syllabus, diploma pharmacy syllabus, that is drugstore and business management. Okay, so this is our first chapter we are going to discuss. First chapter from this subject is introductory part. Introduction of what? Introduction to your whole syllabus, introduction to your whole subject. Okay, so from this first we will get what is the actual idea of DSPM subject, that is drugstore and business management. So name indicate of this subject. First word from which is drugstore. Drugstore means the area or place where we can store our drugs. Next one is business. What is mean by business? Business means any activity that keeps humans busy and that helps to earning more profit. That activity is known as business. Okay. Next word is management. So what is the management? Management means what? Management is the art. Management is also the process, okay, which conduct maximum result in minimum efforts. That philosophy or that process is known as management. Okay. So our subject is revolving around these three words, that is drugstore and business management. So we will start our first introductory chapter. So in that first slide depicting the places where we have stored the different material, or we can say our different dosage form, that is known as drugstore. So business is dealing with our drugs, so that is our business. And new criteria of running business, that is the management. So management always help us to run the business successfully and earning more profit. So we will study the first slide from this chapter. First slide please. Okay. So in that first is business activities. So we have seen what is business. Business is the any activity which keeps people or humans busy, and that also helps to earning us more and more profit. That activity is known as business. Okay, so that business activity is classified into two terminologies, from which first one is industry. Okay, so we will see in detail what is industry. So many times we have heard the word industry. Okay, as soon as we heard the industry, what is come in our mind? So industry means what is it manufacturing something or it producing something. Okay, that is the actual meaning of our industry. We will see word by word definition of industry. The term industry refers to the part of business activity which relates to production, processing and fabrication of products. Okay, that is the complete definition of industry. So what is the actual meaning? Any plant or any activity or any firm that is busy in three processes, that may be the production, that may be the processing, that may be the fabrication of products. Okay, that three activity which indicates the activities of industry. Okay, so different goods or different products are manufactured by industry. So if the good produced by industry is actually used by a final customer, so that good is known as consumer's goods. If the goods which are produced by industry that not mean for the customer use, that can be used as a raw material for another industry, that good is known as producer's goods. Okay, so here first slide, previous slide. So here we have to clear one idea regarding a word, that is goods. So what is the good? Good is the products which manufactured by industry, that is known as goods. Goods are again divided into two types, consumer good and producer's good. Consumer good means what? That is the goods which is produced by industry and that is meant for final consumer. That good are always known as consumer good. Next one is producer's good. Producer's goods means what? The goods which are produced by industry used by final customer that can be used as a raw material by another industry, and that industry will use that goods as a raw material. So that good is known as producer's goods. Okay, next slide. So what are the different types of industry? Actually, industry are classified on different basis, okay, according to the goods produced, okay, according to their size, according to their investment, according to their legal classification. Okay, there are the 4 classes on the basis of which we can classify the industry. From this, we will see first classification of industry on the basis of type of good produced. Okay, so on the basis of type of good produced, industry get classified into 4 types. First one is genetic industry, extractive industry, third one is manufacturing industry, and fourth one is construction industry. Okay, under the manufacturing industry there are also again 4 types, from which first one is analytical industry, synthetic industry, third one is processing industry, and last one is assembling industry. We will see in detail. First is genetic industry. So what is the genetic industry? It is the industry which is engaged in producing and multiplying the certain species of plant and animal. That industry is known as genetic industry. Okay. So in our daily routine life, you have many times heard the word hybrid. Okay, or hybridization means what? The hybridization means what? So that is the multiplication of species. Okay, that is the hybridization, or this is the activity, or this is the function which is performed by genetic industry. Okay, so their better example is breeding farms and poultry farms. Next type of industry, that is the second type, is known as extractive industry. Extractive industry means what? These are the industry which are engaged in extraction process, or they are concerned with the extraction or drawing out the product from natural sources such as soil, air or water. In the extraction industry, what does they actually do? They extract the waste from soil sources, air sources and water sources and produce their final goods. Their better example is soil exploration, forestry and agriculture. Okay, next type of industry is construction industry. So construction industries are the industries which are engaged in construction of different projects. Okay, that project may be the roads, buildings, canals, bridges and dams. Okay, next type of industry is manufacturing industry. Okay, this is the last type of industry. So manufacturing industry means what? Name itself indicates these are the industry engaged in production of goods wherein the raw material or semi-manufactured goods are converted into finished goods. Okay, so that is the definition. So manufacturing industry, so what is the basic concept? They combine the raw material and produce the semi-manufacturing good or semi-finished good or finished good. Okay, so this is the actually manufacturing industries do. So question arises is what is meant by finished good and what is meant by semi-finished good or semi-manufacturing good. So finished good means what? If we are taken the example of manufacturing of tablets. Okay, so before preparing the tablet, we have to prepare a granules. Okay, so granules is the semi-manufacturing good or semi-finished good, and the final tablet which is obtained after the compression of granules. So that tablet is the better example of finished goods or finished products. Okay. For example, pharmaceutical industry. So manufacturing industries are further subdivided into following 4 groups. First one is analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry and assembling industry. Okay, we will see analytical industry. What is meant by analytical industry? Analytical industry are the industries which are engaged in producing the goods by analyzing and separating the element from the same material. That industry are known as analyzing industry. Okay. So as an example we can take fractional distillation of crude refinery industries. Okay, so that is the the subtype of manufacturing industry. In synthetic industry, what happens where the two and more than two material are combined together and forms the new products. Okay, so products like various chemical, drugs, soaps, cosmetic, fertilizers produced by synthetic industry. Next slide. Processing industry. Okay, so what is the processing industry? Processing industry engage in the activity of raw materials are processed through different stages of production to produce final product. For example, pharmaceutical industries, paper, sugar industry. Processing industry means what? This is the industry which produce a good. That good should be processed through different stages. That stages are of manufacturing stages. So we can get a new finished good. That is the processing industry. Next one is assembling industry. What is the assembling industry? For example, these are the assembling industry is what? These are the industry which are engaged in assembling of different component, and from that assembling of different component they can make a new finished good. For example, we can make the television set. Okay, so we for making the television set, different components are ready by the other manufacturer. Only we have to do that assemble the different part of television set and we have to make the new television set. That is the assembling industry. There another example is production of cars, scooter, television and computers. Next. Second basis of classification of industry, that is on the basis of size and investment. From this, light industry. Light industry means what? That industries which involves the small capital investment and have the short duration cycle. Okay, short duration cycle means whatever the goods they produce, that cycle or production time of that good is minimized or that period is very short. So that is known as short duration or short production cycle. For this type of production cycle, the machineries are needed that are cheaper as compared to other industry. For example, industries involved in the production of collapsible tubes, rubber tubes, tin and containers. Okay. Next classification is heavy industry. That is the exactly opposite of light industry. What is in heavy industry? In heavy industries needs a big capital investment and their production cycle is also longer than as compared to our light industry. The example is iron and steel industries. Next slide. Third classification of industry, which is based on capital employed. Okay. So what is the amount of capital we have employed to start our business or to start our industry? That is another basis of classification. On the basis of that, first classification is large scale and small scale. Large scale industry needs huge investment, that also needs higher capital, higher number of employees, higher number of workers, higher number of advanced machineries and different tools. That is the large scale of industry. Next one is small scale industry. Small scale industry, that capital involved in this type of industry is not more than 10 lakhs in plant and machineries. Okay. So investment in small scale industry is also less. Machinery required is also cheaper than the large scale industry and number of employee and worker work under this type of industry is also less. Next. Fourth classification of industry on the basis of official classification of industry. Official classification means that is the industry which establishes after the registration of certain act. That industries are classified under this official classification of industry. We will see what is it actually. The industries are classified according to the type of good produced by them as given under the first schedule to industry, that is Development and Regulation Act 1951 by the government. For example, drug and pharmaceuticals, medical and surgical appliances, cosmetic and toilet preparation. So here different laws and regulations are given. For example, cosmetic and toilet preparation. If we are planting a industry, So that is related to the preparation of cosmetic and the toilet preparation. So we have to register under the specific act.